Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel with educational review on the DeFi Factory AI, the future of yield farming with artificial intelligence. We are going to share each and everything DeFi with Chrono Lab is now going to save the time. Let's get started with the DeFi AI, where you can easily discover next generation level pool, and we are going to share each and every step. So let's get started. You can check out link in my video description too, where you are going to get on the DeFi Factory AI. Basically, this is new AI revolution. We are optimizing yield is going to be giving you a next level experience. People who are searching for such transparent and a secure ecosystem. Now it's here. On the screen, you can check out the features like this is intelligent pool tracking with AI continuously monitoring the best yield farming. Here, not only you are going to get AI function, you will also grab some reward for that. And you can easily get the official token that is Dfai AI, mean DFAI token that will be given you as a reward. And yes, this is also for the community who are going to join for official Twitter, and there you can also check people are already following it, and you can also follow them on their official Twitter and Telegram. And next you can also check who are this DeFi AI token. For that you can easily come here. Why you have to choose? Because there something we are searching for, that is transparency. There is best reward, and with the power of new technology, we are going to maximize the profit with wealth, financial freedom. This is very crystal clear process that we are going to get here. The advantage, we can easily track what we are doing, the action on the platform. There our reward will be automatically sent to our wallet as well as cashback, and there will be DFAI token in the market. With the increase in the demand, the price will increase. Here is the total number of token DeFi Factory AI, where Binance Smart Chain is going to be used as a network, and there is the total token supply. You can check with contract address too. So guys, you have to also take care of that DeFi AI token is going to be launched on the date of 10. Yes, there I am also going to mention here what date when you will get DeFi AI token launch on the January 10 at TOKPIE. You have to be take care of it, and you can also join. Here I am also going to giving you a next level tip that you are going to be ready for it. And yes, there is DeFi token is going to be launched January 10 at TOKPIE. You can easily get that all this information too. And pre-sale has been allocated for 25%. You are going to get here the token distribution, as there is game tap to earn. Basically, there will be given some point that will be converted into token, will be converted into your real money. And if you want to know about the milestone like their roadmap, then there are Q1 in the phase 1 what they are going to done. Their game tap game launch. There is community building on social media. And my friends, here DeFi token listing decentralized, and yes, there are second phase where platform will be launched and CX listing and many other expand in the community is going to be handled out. So in this way, you can easily check out how actually this is working, and you can also get their partner details too, where you can check about the Corona Lab. Corona Lab is also going to help behind this project that I have shared it to you. And you can also explore about this company too. Now, if you are going to join, you can easily click on go to the app, and then this is the interface. So you can come on the dashboard, and here you can easily come first here, connect the wallet, and what wallet you have already installed, you can easily select here. So once a wallet will be connected, and then you can easily check out their balance DeFi AI token, and here is AI Insight. We are going to get here is AI conversion wallet analysis. you can easily understand. And here is also what type of question you have, you can easily ask, and then there will be answer like which pool have the best right now. You can easily search. AI is going to be process your question, and then there are the positions have been given in different currency. You can easily select one of them, and then you can easily understand here, select the token with the USD pair, and there are the percentage. You can easily select it, and then you can also go ahead. So in this way, you can also initiate the cake USD, and there are the deposit amount with cake USDT or any other currency. What that time AI will give you as the best suggestion. So in this way, you can also check here details. If you come into your dashboard, then this is your profile where you can see create new position. We using AI. You can easily create it. If you have still any question or query related to the project, you can ask in our comment box. See you next week. Till then, take care and goodbye.